Hi students, today we are moving on to another very interesting area on geometry. First is on enlargement, and another thing that we will be touching on will be on properties of 3D objects. So you are given a 2x2 square here, and you are required to follow the instruction. They say, how big do you think the area of the square will be if you double its dimension? Means the length. So length is 2 here, double it will be 4. So first I draw the shape, okay, a 4x4 shape. And from here I'm able to find the area, which is one side is 4, so it's 4 times 4, which gives me 16 cm square. And then from here they'll say, okay, how many times larger was the area of the square with the double dimension? How much times bigger? So this is 2 by 2 is 4. 4 by 4 is 16. So how many times has it been enlarged? Put the answer here. Do the same thing for the rectangle. You're supposed to double the size of this rectangle. Draw it over here. And then after that, find out again how much has it increased. Okay, when it's doubled. Next one is on reduction. So you're given a rectangle here. Okay, so you're supposed to halve the dimension based on what is required. So by halving the dimension, the width I actually have 2, 4, 6, 8. Half of it will be 4. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Half of 12 will be 6. So it will be a 6 by 4 rectangle when it's halved. So did the area of the smaller shape halve? Look at it carefully again. This is 12 by 6. Okay, 12 by 8. 12 by 8 is 96 cm square. And this is a 4 by 6, which is 24 cm square. Has it been halved? You make a decision on that. And what happened to the area of the smaller shape? Okay, what happened to the area of the smaller shape? So by what times, has it been reduced? Okay, think through based on what we have done earlier on. Okay, so it should be pretty similar. Okay, next one, you're supposed to create two shapes that have an area of 16 cm square. So I have done it this way. A 4 by 4 is also a square, and square is actually also a rectangle, isn't it? So it's a very special rectangle. And then I have also created a 4 by 8 rectangle, which gives me also an area of 32 cm square. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 times 4 is 32, isn't it? The second, so you look at it carefully. First shape must have an area of 16 cm square, and the second shape must have an area of 32 cm square. Right? Okay, so I've created the shape. See whether you can create any other shapes based on the requirement. Okay, next part is on properties of 3D objects. So again, it's a revision. We have done a little bit on this on nets. Okay, so now you are given a net. Okay, you're supposed to draw the 3D diagram over here. Okay, so this is known as a rectangular prism, isn't it? Rectangular prism. And the rest, you're supposed to complete them. I'm quite certain you'll be able to draw them and name them accurately. Okay, we'll discuss the answer during the next lesson. Okay, next part is to identify the particular shapes. Okay, I'm going to spend some time drawing the shape. Okay, just blink your eyes and you can see my beautiful drawing very soon. So remember, the condition given to you is opposite faces are the same except for the base. So the base is here, okay, the gray color part. So look at my drawing. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so I've done one part for you already. You got to decide what is going to happen here. And of course, this is the base that they were talking about. The base is gray in color. So you do not need to put anything here. So now you just have to decide what is to be placed here, what to be placed here, and also what to be placed here. Okay, so make a decision on that. So that's all for